third, I would like to announce from Taiwan, we have GliaCloud. Please put your hands together and come on stage. And you may start after this final countdown.
In 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, I'm Anne from GliaCloud. I'm very excited to be here to present our latest product, GliaStudio, an AI video generator for advertising and publishing industry. We're looking for 3 million funding. Today, people don't read. People watch videos. Videos brings millions of views every day. And in the next 5 years, video is going to take over 70% of mobile traffic. And all latest marketing report shows that videos can create the best reach rate and generate the best ROI compared to other type of campaigns. However, producing video is very expensive, even for large publishers. On average, it costs about $500 to make a semi-pro video. Apparently, the current solution is neither affordable nor scalable. Here comes GliaStudio. Our text-to-video technology can automatically turn articles into videos. We use artificial intelligence to analyze the contents and transform them into ready-to-use videos in seconds. The magic is our natural language processing algorithms that go over the content and figure out the major topic, then summarize them into video scripts. After matching the best clips, pictures, and infographics, GliaStudio generates attractive videos with voiceover, and it is 100% made by AI, with no human editing involved. Let's see a demo video showing how GliaStudio works. We have an article here, and you just simply insert the URL and click the button. GliaStudio will extract keywords and gather the related materials.
Warriors point guard Stephen Curry already broke the record for the most three-pointers in a season.
The voiceover is also made by artificial intelligence. And we demo the English version here, but other languages are also available.
On Monday, I have never seen a player play the game with the skills and talents that Steph Curry has, said the Hall of Famer Rick Barry when asked about Curry's recent performances.
Is it that simple? All you have to do is to pass the link, and GliaStudio will do the rest. We provide video AI for everyone, no matter you have your own video source or not. That means we turn everyone into a publisher. So we have two business models. For professional publishers, we offer a customized package. They can choose either to be charged by usage or by advertising revenue sharing. And for every individual, we offer a free version embedded with advertising SDK, and we will share the revenue with them. The video advertising market is growing significantly. With our expertise in Asian languages, especially Chinese and Japanese, we are the only AI video making service in Asia. Unlike our competitor Wibbits, we also partner with IBM and Google to leverage their computing power so we can easily scale up. We already have 1 patent in Chinese semantic analytics and will continue to file another 3 related patents this year. GliaStudio is coming out of beta next month. Tagging on the 10 billion video advertising market in Asia, we start from local media in Taiwan and extend our service to China this year, and Japan and other Asian countries next year. Our monthly video production capacity will increase from 50,000 to 300,000 by the end of 2017. In our beta stage, we partner with the largest technology media in Taiwan, Business Next, and we received great feedbacks from them. We are excited to invite more people to use our service. We are a diversified team with more than 25 years experience in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and business development. Plus, we have strong background in online advertising, so we can make GliaStudio not only a video engine, but also a video advertising powerhouse. In less than 1 year, we already engaged with Google, IBM, and Microsoft as official partners, and as a technology-driven team, we have won awards held by Evernote, Google, and Baidu. Glia Studio is not only for publishers, it is for everyone here. Using our service, you can produce videos from your blog and post it to Facebook. Not only to make things more interesting, but also you can make money from them. Remember our name, Glia Studio, because from now on, we're going to change the way people produce and consume content.
Thank you very much, Coach Anne from GliaCloud. And for our judges' time, we're going to have another member for them, and I would like to pass it over to the judges.
Hi, I'm Agnes, the CEO of the company, and hope you enjoy the pitch from our data scientist today.
So I have a question. So I didn't actually, maybe I fell asleep, but actually I didn't see the business model part of the presentation. This is a free program for everybody that you're doing voluntary as a big group of team, or is there actually some kind of fee associated with your product?
Sure. There will be two business models, to enterprise or to individuals. And currently we are focusing on working with the large publishers. So for the large publishers, depending on their bargaining power with the advertisers, if they have their own source, they can use our service by usage. So like we charge them a fixed fee, and then like each time they call our API or SDK, and then we charge them a certain amount of fees. Otherwise, if like they are lacking of source of advertisers, or like they don't have the connection, and we embedded an advertising SDK for them, and then we cut a portion for it, like we do the revenue sharing.
So it's free if you include the ad, and
yes, it will be free in that case.
And for typical business users, like let's say if I'm a small publisher, maybe web publisher, and don't have video today, I want to use your solution.
Yes.
How much do I have to pay to start using your service? What's the starting price point?
That will be freemium model. Like they don't need to pay anything until they generate the advertising revenue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a quick question.
Yes.
You mentioned about your partnership with IBM, say, okay?
Yes.
Are you using the Watson connection?
Yes, exactly. Like that text speech you just hear, it's based on Watson's API.
So why a company like yours will need that supercomputing power? Can you explain that?
Well, our focus is we are a small team for this like artificial intelligence development. So our core technology is sentiment analytics, and like we have to analyze the articles. That's our core algorithms. For the text-to-speech, like in the long run, of course, we can build a team to focusing on that. Like currently, some of the partners, they don't like Mandarin accent. They prefer Taiwanese Mandarin accents. And then we have to adjust that, so we have to find different solutions. So not only IBM Watson, but also like there's a Baidu, they have such AI for text-to-speech in that sense. So so basically, it's not the parts we focus currently. Like we focus more in the analysis part for the articles. But in the long run, that will definitely like we can customize the text speech and amplify the speech library.
So I'm assuming you're tracking your video because it's revenue share model, right?
Exactly. Like.
So what's your 10-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 5 minute drop-off rate for your video, and also your like reshare and comment percentages on average?
Just like Anne just mentioned, we are still in beta stage, but we have the tracking system ready. So we will do, because our background is from the internet advertising, like we used to run a real-time bidding advertising platform. So we have the tracking system already. And then once we have the advertising SDK embedded in the videos, and then we will do the optimization into that the advertising revenue to make the best of it.
I'm assuming you posted some of the video up somewhere in the past, somewhere, anywhere?
Well, no, currently we just want to make sure the video quality is good enough to attract the advertisers. So we are still receiving feedback from our testing partners.
Do we have any more questions from the judges?
One last question. How much money you need and what is the valuation? If you can answer this question, I understand.
We are looking for 3 million funding, and most of that will build a data team, because we need lots of training data in different domains in the industry and also language-wise. So that's a huge effort. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I guess that concludes from Taiwan. It was GliaCloud.